Hi everyone, welcome to the English Fluency course, day 48. In today's video, I'm going to explain if clauses or conditional clauses. If clauses are three kinds. They are open condition, closed condition and unfulfilled condition. Open condition, the first one, type 1 is open condition and type 2 is closed condition and type 3 unfulfilled condition. In type 1, here two clauses are there. If you invite me is one clause and I will attend to the party is one clause. If you invite me is one clause and I will attend to the party is another clause. If you invite me is called subordinate clause because it is not giving complete meaning. If you invite me is subordinate clause because it is not giving complete meaning. And I will attend to the party is a clause which we call main clause. I will attend to the party is called main clause because it is giving complete meaning. So here if you observe the tense, the subordinate clause is in simple present tense. Subordinate clause is in simple present tense. Subject, next first form of the verb is there. So subordinate clause is in simple present tense and the main clause is in simple future tense because subject plus will plus is the first form of the verb. In open condition, subordinate clause will be in the simple present tense and main clause will be in the simple future tense. If you invite me, I will attend to the party. I will attend to the party on one condition. What is that condition? If you invite me. That's why we call this conditional clause. If clause or conditional clause. If you invite me, I will attend to the party. That is open condition. Probable or possible condition. Open, probable or possible condition. And if you see the second one, closed condition or improbable condition or imaginary condition. We can call the type 2 closed condition or improbable or impossible condition. If you invited me, this is a subordinate clause and I would attend to the party is main clause. If you invited me is subordinate clause and I would attend to the party is main clause. Here, if you invited me is in simple past tense. Subordinate clause is in simple past tense because subject plus V2. And this is conditional future. Main clause is in the conditional future. If you invited me, I would attend to the party. This is called closed condition or improbable condition or imaginary condition. If you invited me, I would attend to the party. Now, let's see the third one, unfulfilled condition. What is this unfulfilled condition? If you had invited me, subordinate clause is in the past perfect tense. What is the example for unfulfilled condition? If you had invited me, I would have attended to the party. So, subordinate clause is in past perfect tense, subject plus had plus this is V3. So here subordinate clause is in the past perfect tense and main clause is in the conditional future perfect. Main clause is in the conditional future perfect, subject plus would have plus V3. Conditional future perfect. So this is unfulfilled condition. In the past something did not happen. Okay, if it had happened, this the main clause also, the situation in the main clause also would have happened. If you had invited me, that means you did not invite me. If you had invited me, I would have attended to the party. I would have attended. That means I did not attend. What is the reason? You did not invite me. If you had invited me, I would have attended to the party. This is called unfulfilled condition. The condition is not fulfilled. You did not invite me in the past. That's why I did not attend to the party. If you had invited me, I would have attended to the party. And one more example I would like to give for unfulfilled condition. You did not study well. You did not study well. You did not pass. You did not study well. You did not pass. So, condition is not fulfilled. Unfulfilled condition this one. You did not study well. Right? So, how can we combine these two clauses, two sentences into if clause. How? If. So subordinate clause in past perfect tense, right? So we have to write this in past perfect. If you had studied well, if you had studied well, what would have happened? You would have passed. So here see friends, subordinate clause is in the past perfect and the main clause is in the future perfect, future conditional future perfect. Main clause is in the conditional future perfect. Unfulfilled condition is not fulfilled here. You did not study well. That's why we have to write it as if you had studied well, you would have passed. And one more example I want to give you. You did not ask me, I did not help you. You did not ask me, I did not help you. If you had asked me, I would have helped you. Like this, many examples we can give for unfulfilled condition. In a daily life, in a daily conversation, we use unfulfilled condition and we use open condition and we use closed condition also. So, my dear friends, if you learn the if clauses or conditional clauses, and you will be able to speak English in every conversation and every situation, you will be able to speak well. So hope you understood this lesson. If you have any doubts related to grammar, related to these spoken English clauses, you can contact me. I would provide my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.